This is the next part of my walk, showing some houses in the neighborhood. This is a neighbor's house owned by the Wrightses that they're renting to this guy Pablo, who's a researcher at Johns Hopkins. This is the Bollinger house. Now we're going down the street, and I want to take a photograph of the sort of a nature walk, showing the stream, seeing if I can get any wildlife or vegetation, which I thought might be kind of interesting to the viewers. This is one of the areas that I walk to when I'm getting my exercise to help my blood pressure. And we have this stream here, part of Roland Run. We go over here and you can see the Roland Run stream, and there's the water flowing in the stream. See if there are any fishes or vegetation. Don't know, don't see any. Just a little bit of snow and a little bit of bamboo. Well, that's all we have for now.